Emma wasn't looking for love that morning. She just wanted a quiet place to read. The cafe on the corner, with its smell of fresh coffee and warm bread, was her favorite place in the city. It was raining outside. The windows were foggy. She ordered a cappuccino and sat near the window, opened her book, and sighed. Then Jack came in. He looked around, smiled politely, and asked, "May I sit here? It's full everywhere else." Emma looked up. He had kind eyes and a gentle voice. She smiled back. Sure. They didn't talk much at first. Just small sentences about the rain, the coffee, the book. Then the conversation became longer. He told her he was a photographer. She said she worked in a library. Jack laughed easily. Emma smiled often. That morning became 2 hours. Then Jack asked for her number. They met again and again. Walks in the park, museums, dinner at small restaurants. They laughed, shared childhood stories, dreams, even fears. Emma felt safe. Jack seemed honest and kind. He listened. He remembered small things. He brought her flowers just because. He helped her fix her broken heater. He said, "I feel lucky I met you." 6 months later, they moved in together. Emma's friends said, "He's amazing." Her mother liked him. Emma felt happy, really happy. She started imagining a future. A house, a child, maybe 2. Jack talked about those things too. "Someday, I want a little girl with your smile," he whispered once. A year passed. One day, Emma found out she was pregnant. She told Jack, excited and nervous. Jack didn't speak for a moment. Then he smiled, kissed her forehead, and said, "Wow, that's big news." But something changed after that. He became quieter. He worked late more often. When she asked questions, he said, "I'm just tired." He didn't hold her hand as often. He stopped making jokes. Emma tried to talk to him. "Are you okay?" she asked. "I'm fine," he said. "Don't make everything a drama." She thought maybe it was just stress. Maybe he was afraid of becoming a father. It will pass, she told herself. But then he started disappearing for whole weekends. "Work trip," he said. No explanation. No calls. He stopped looking at her belly. Stopped asking how she felt. Sometimes he didn't come home at all. Emma was 7 months pregnant when he left a note on the kitchen table. "I'm sorry, Emma. I can't do this. Please don't look for me. Jack." She stared at the paper for hours. She called. No answer. She texted. Nothing. His things were gone. Just like that, he was out of her life. The next 2 months were the hardest of her life. No more walks, no more coffee dates, no more Jack. Only silence, and the baby growing inside her. Her son, Leo, was born on a cold January night. She cried when she held him. Tears of pain, tears of joy, of fear, of love. She had to be strong. Feedings, diapers, sleepless nights. She went back to work. Her mother helped. Friends visited. But inside, Emma was different. She still remembered the Jack from the cafe, the laughter, the promises. But she also remembered the silence, the cold, the note. 2 years later, she took Leo to the same cafe. He loved the lights, the smell of coffee, the soft music. Emma ordered a cappuccino. Leo had hot chocolate. She watched him smile. He had her eyes. A man walked in. He looked around. He asked, "May I sit here? It's full everywhere else." Emma smiled. "No," she said gently. "This table is already perfect.